Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the TRANQUILISAFE Magnetic Window Mosquito Net, your ultimate solution for keeping pesky insects out of your home. This high-quality mosquito net is crafted from durable fiberglass and features adjustable Velcro strips, allowing it to fit perfectly on both standard and custom-sized windows without causing any damage. With its waterproof closure and 12 strategically placed magnets, this net ensures a secure, automatic seal that keeps mosquitoes, flies, and even crawling insects at bay, while its weighted base adds extra stability. Installing this mosquito net is a breeze, thanks to the included adhesive Velcro that fits seamlessly onto window frames with a minimum width of 2 centimeters. Plus, you can rest easy knowing that TRANQUILISAFE stands by their product with a satisfaction guarantee and responsive customer service based in France. CE certified. For your peace of mind, this mosquito net is designed to provide optimal protection and enhance your comfort at home. So, say goodbye to unwanted insects and enjoy a tranquil, bug-free environment with the TRANQUILISAFE Magnetic Window Mosquito Net. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.